All right. Run along, you two.
I love muddy puddles.
Peppa, if you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots.
Sorry, Mummy. George, if you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots. George, let's find some more puddles. Look, George. There's a really big puddle. Stop, George. I must check if it's safe for you. Good. It is safe for you. Sorry, George. It's only bad. Yuck!
Peppa, George.
Come inside. The rain's too heavy to play in now.
Oh, George, where's your hat?
Achoo! Achoo!
Oh, poor little George. You don't sound well.
Oh!
Mummy! Daddy! It's gone all dark and the music is broken.
And my vacuum won't work.
And my computer has switched off.
Ooh!
It must be a power cut.
What's a power cut?
A power cut is when there is no electricity.
What's electricity?
Electricity is what makes everything in our house work.
Will the electricity come back again?
Yes. But in the meantime...
Mummy, the thunderbags are very loud.
It's okay, children. Don't be frightened.
This is the weather forecast. It will rain all day.
I know. We can play the rainy day game.
What's the rainy day game?
I'll show you.
Daddy, are you okay? Help! Oh, help!
You'll wake Daddy Pig.
What's this, Potato City?
That's Potato City.
Hello, George.
George, can you hear something? Hello, Susie. Hello, Peppa. We can be friends again, if you say sorry.
Hello. Ah, there you are, Peppa.
Hello, Peppa?
Give me that hammer.
Goodness me, I've never seen anything like...